Multiplication. Today's our topic is distributive property and types of the multiplication. First property, distributive property. If A, B and C are any three numbers, then A into B plus C equals to A into B. A into B plus A into C. Make two groups. Okay. By one number you multiply the sum of the two numbers by separately. Then after you add. So A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. If example, see let's say example, if A equals to 2, B equals to 3, C equals to 5, then instead of A plus you write 2 into, keep the bracket, 3 instead of B plus 3 plus C plus 5 close the bracket. So it is read as 2 into 3 plus 5, that equals to A into, A means 2 into value of B is 3. 2 into 3 plus between of them there is plus symbol plus A, the value of A is 2 into value of C is 5. 2 into 3 plus 5 equals to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. First you simplify the bracket terms. Here 2 into simplify the bracket terms. 3 plus 5 8. That equals to, now simplify the bracket terms. 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6 plus 2 into 5, 2 5 is 10. Then after remove the brackets. 2 into 8, that equals to 6 plus 10. 2 into 8, 2 8 is 16. 6 plus 10, 16. Got it? So if A, B and C are any three numbers, then A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Then second way, if A, B and C are any three numbers, then A into B minus C. Here we use plus symbol. Here we are using subtracting symbol, that is minus. A into B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. Then if A equals to 2, B equals to 3, C equals to 5. Write the values of instead of A, B, C. 2 into 3 minus 5, B minus C equals to A into B means 2 into 3 minus A into C. Value of A into value of C. So 2 into C. Now simplify the bracket terms. 2 into, here 3 minus 5. From 3 we can't subtract 5. Yes, 5 minus 3 we can subtract. But 5 has minus symbol. That's why you write minus. Now 5 minus 3, 2. That equals to, simplify this, 2 3 is 6 minus 2 5 is 10. Now remove the brackets. 2 into minus 2 equals to 6 minus 10. Now simplify them. Here there is minus symbol. There is no symbol, you assume plus. Plus into minus, minus 2 2 is 4. 6 minus 10. From 6 we can't subtract 10. Yes, we have to we can subtract from 10 minus 6. 10 has minus symbol. So minus 10 minus 6, 4. Minus 4, minus 4. Both are equal. It is called as distributive property. See, there are three methods to multiply numbers. We are using three methods to multiply the numbers. They are standard algorithm, lattice algorithm, and third one is multiplying two numbers mentally. Okay, first one, standard algorithm you see. You know standard algorithm. 14 into 3. 14 into 3. By 3 you should multiply the 14. Here 14 is called multiplicand, 3 is called multiplier. By the multiplier you should multiply every digit in the multiplicand. Already you know answer of the multiplication is called product. Yes. Now 3 4s are 12. By 3 you multiply 4 and 1. 3 4s are 12. First you start from the ones column. Then tens column. 3 4s are 12. 2 here, 1 carry. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 42. Got it? Here 43 into 52. Here given question is horizontal method. We arrange them vertically in one by one below the other. 43 into 52. First you multiply by 2, 3 and 4. Then after again multiply by tens plus digit by 5, 3 and 4. See how I am multiplying. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. By 2 you multiplied the 2 digits in the multiplicand. Now you start from the 5. 5 is tens place digit. So product also start from the tens place. Don't write from ones place. So you put into mark at ones place. Start from the product at tens place. Okay. 5 3s are 15. 5 here, 1 carry. Now 5 4s are. 5 4s are 20. And carry 1 is there. 20 plus 1, 21. Right here 21. Now add them. 6, 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Here 2. So 2236 is my product. Okay. Second method is lattice algorithm. See 23 into 9. Here 23 has two digits. Yes, you take one rectangle box dividing into two parts. Then it is one digit number. Here one box enough. Means length is two boxes. Width is one box. Why? Because here one digit number is there. So you write here one digit number. Here 2, 3 by 9. One box is dividing into two parts like this. Cornerly you join that cornerly. Okay, like this you join corners you join. Now 9 3 is how much? 27. Here one box is dividing into two parts. No, 27. 2 up, 7 down. Two digit number right here, one box. Then 9 3 is 27. Then 9 2 is 18. 1 8, 18. Up 1, down 8, 18. Now you join corner, Now add the corners. How many are how many digits are there in this rows? You should add them. Here 7. Here 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 10. Carry over to third box. Now 1 plus 1 2. Here 207. 23 into 9 equals to 207. 207. Here 63 into 29. Here 63 has two numbers. Yes, two digits. Two boxes you take. Length. 29 here breadth. 29 two digits here, two boxes length, two boxes width, like this you take. 63 into 29. By 2 you multiply 6, 3 and 6. By 9 also you multiply 3 and 6. Join the corner points. See, like this you join the corner points. Here 2 3 is 6. 6 means that is one digit number. Up 0, down 6. 2 3 is 6. Then 2 6 are 12. 1 2 12. First row is finished. Then by 9. Now you write in second boxes. Okay, 9 3 ja. 9 is by 9 you multiply 3. 9 3 are 27. Up to down 7. Then 9 6 are 54. Up 5 down 4. Finish. Multiplication is multiplied by 2 and 9. Now add the corners. Here 7 only. 7 right. Now here what are the numbers? 6, 2, 4. Add them. 6 plus 2 8. Yes, 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here, 1 carry the third column. Now add 0, 2, 5, 1. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Right here, 8. Here, 1. Right here, 1. So, 63 into 29 equals to 1827. It is the lattice algorithm method. One more method is there. Multiplying two numbers mentally. When you are multiplying the two numbers mentally, big number is dividing into two parts. Okay, 8 into 9 is given. Here 9 is big number. Dividing into two parts. 4 plus 5. It's become a distributive property. Yes. Now 8 into 4 plus 8 into 5. 8 4 is 32 plus 8 5 is 40. Now remove the brackets and add 32 plus 40 72. Like this here. 72 into 6. Here 72 is big number. Dividing into two parts. 70 plus 2 into 6. Now distributive property apply here. 70 into 6 plus 2 into 6. 76 are 420 plus 2 6 are 12. 420 plus 12 432. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.